Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. It was actually suggested to me by a subscriber, so thank you so much. And if you haven't guessed by the title already, I'm going to be sharing with you a couple of things in our garden and also just doing a general garden cleanup. Now this property is a new build, so the garden at the moment is quite bare. It's just a blank space for us to do whatever we want to it. We're most probably, because it is coming towards the end of summer, we will start focusing on the garden next year and what we really want to do. We do have a few ideas. We have a whole Pinterest page where we've saved things, and we will most probably put back in a pergola like we had in the old house. We did do quite a bit to that garden. Again, that was a blank space. It was a new build. I will link the garden tour video from the previous house down below if you want to go and check that out. But for now, let's get right into the garden and I'll just share with you what I have been doing. First off, I'm doing a bit of weeding of our flower bed. So this flower bed is solely dedicated to hydrangeas, just because I absolutely adore them, and we actually had them incorporated into our wedding flowers. So I am on the lookout for a couple more just to fill in the gap on the right side. As you're looking at it, there's just a big space there, but I'm still on the hunt for some that are a good price, and also I'm trying to find some really pretty white ones as well. Here you can see after I'd weeded that I'm just cutting off the dead hydrangeas. So I've read that you should cut them just at the tip, so deadhead them instead of cutting the branch right down. I usually do this at the end of the summer, however some of them just needed to come off, so it looked a bit tidier overall. So this was the space I was on about where I want to fill it with a couple more hydrangeas, and then at the end I have this beautiful purpley bluey one. The blue hydrangea was what I had within my wedding flowers. I just think it's so vibrant and it really stands out. And I just love the colours, all the different colours you can get of hydrangeas and their actual flower. There's just so many petals on them, and they do. All of the colours just stand out really well in the summer. Now we do have a lawnmower, but it's currently being stored at my parents' because we were waiting for a shed to be delivered, so we had somewhere to put it and it was protected and covered. So at the moment I've just been trimming all the long grass just around the edges and near to the flower bed, so it looks a bit more tidy overall. Next, I'm adding some new compost to mix in with the soil that was already there, as the soil underneath is just not the best. So every couple of weeks I mix in some of this multi-purpose compost. This one is from B&Q, and it's just so the flowers have a better, more healthier base to grow from. Speaking of B&Q, I decided to take a trip there. You guys, I've been to B&Q so much lately for different things, but I wanted to compare prices of some hydrangeas and also different types of palm trees. And although I didn't end up picking anything up, I just love looking at all the beautiful bright rainbow of flowers and plants they always have on offer. So a couple of other garden related bits I wanted to share with you guys are, first off, this water butt from Home Bargains. This is the smaller version and actually the cheapest I'd seen, and the idea is we are going to have guttering running along the side of the shed to the back of the water butt, so we can use the rainwater instead to water all our flowers and plants. The other thing from Home Bargains is this small bin, which we are using as Sully's poo bin. I was talking about this, but the wind was really noisy, so that's why I'm doing a voiceover. But we wanted to have this outside the back door, and I've been looking for something like this for ages, but I just couldn't find the right size, which had a swing lid and was also plastic. Then I found this bin in Home Bargains, and it comes in grey and white also, and it was under £3. This barbecue cover was another garden find that Ben picked up from Amazon. I'll have it linked in my Amazon shop, the exact one. I'm not sure if it comes in different sizes, but I will let you know in the description bar down below. But so far so good, it covers every bit of the barbecue really well. Lastly are the solar powered lights from B&Q. We actually got these with 20% off, which made them around £9. There is 4 in a pack, so there's 2 packs here, and then you get the solar panel for each pack. And all you do is just twist the spikes into the soil, and then I've kind of hidden the wires under the soil, and they just look so effective at night and just remind me of hotels when you're on holiday, when they have all the grounds lit up at night. And then the empty space you see to the left is where I'd like to put a couple more palms. Going back to the hydrangeas, the last thing I wanted to do was give them a good water. I water them every day, and then every couple of days I put a bit of Miracle-Gro mixed in with the water just to help them grow faster and bigger and fuller. And then the Miracle-Gro, if you're wondering where I picked this up from, the best place and the best price I've seen it for is in B&M, so that is where I get mine. So guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, I really hope you enjoyed this and it motivated you to get out in the garden, especially while it's still nice and we're still having our summer. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of the PBB community, and I hope you're all having a great week or a great weekend or whatever you're doing, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!